Welcome to all latest decor ideas YouTube channel. Today we have something truly special for you. Get ready to be inspired by the most breathtaking front and backyard landscape design ideas that will transform your home into a paradise. Whether you have a green thumb or just love beautiful spaces, we have got something for everyone, so let's dive right in. Your front yard is the first thing cast and preserve. See, so let's make it unforgettable. From enchanting pathways to colorful flower beds, we'll explore the best yard landscaping ideas that add curb appeal and elevate your home's exterior. One way to create an inviting atmosphere is with a beautiful pathway. Discover a range of materials and patterns that suit your style and watch as your guests can't wait to step inside your home. Add a pop of color to your front yard with stunning flower beds. We will delve into plant selection, layering, and maintenance tips to keep your flower beds blooming all year round. Now let's venture into the backyard, your personal heaven. Get ready to be transported to paradise as we explore captivating backyard landscape ideas that turn your outdoor space into a serene oasis. The sound of flowering water can work wonders in creating a tranquil ambience. We'll show you how to integrate fountains, ponds, and waterfalls to make your backyard the ultimate relaxation retreat. Transform your backyard into an extension of your living space with cozy outdoor sitting areas. Learn how to combine comfort, functionality, and style for the perfect spot to unwind or entertain guests. Creating a beautiful landscape does not mean neglecting the environment. In this segment, we'll explore sustainable and eco friendly landscaping ideas that reduce water consumption, promote biodiversity, and benefit the planet. Water conservation is essential, especially in dry regions. Discover a plethora of stunning drought resistant plants that not only save water but also thrive in challenging conditions. Let's explore sustainable hardscaping options like permeable prevents and recycled materials that not only add beauty to your landscape but also minimize environmental impact. Landscape design plays a crucial role in shaping and enhancing our living environment. Its importance extends beyond aesthetics and has a significant impact on various aspects of our lives. Here are some key reasons why landscape design is essential. Number one is aesthetics and beauty. Well-designed landscape add beauty and visual appeal to any space, whether it's a private garden, public park, or commercial property. Thoughtfully arrange plants, trees, and hardscape elements create a harmonious and pleasant environment that can lift people's spirit and improve overall well-being. Number two is environmental benefits. Proper landscape design can contribute to environmental sustainability. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide, reduce air pollution, and provide shade, which helps low energy consumption for cooling. Well designed landscapes also promote biodiversity, supporting various animal species and pollinators. Number three is improved quality of life. Green spaces and well maintained landscapes have been linked to improved mental health and reduced stress levels. Access to nature can help people relax, feel more connected to their surroundings, and enhance overall happiness and well being. Number four is enhanced property value. For residential and commercial properties alike, a well designed landscape can increase property value significantly. A beautiful and well maintained garden or outdoor space often become a selling point for real estate, attracting potential buyers and tenants. Number five is functionality and practicality. Landscape design is not just about aesthetics, it also involves planning for functionality and usability. Properly designed landscapes can create spaces for recreational activities, social gatherings, and relaxation, thereby maximizing the use of available outdoor areas. And there you have it, folks, a collection of the most inspiring front and backyard landscape design ideas. Whether you are looking for a whimsical front yard or a serene backyard oasis, we hope these concepts ignite your creativity and help you craft your dream landscape. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. Thanks for watching and happy landscaping, because this video contains the latest modern ideas for your front and back landscape designs. So please comment what's your best design in this pictures collection. I hope this will increase your outdoor beauties, home beauty, and also you can share ideas with your friends, relatives, and other colleagues. So please don't forget to subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel. Thank you.